Hey friends, new planner video coming your way. I am talking all things stickers. This is a new to me subscription club. So I've never purchased the Erin Condren sticker club before. Now if you want to be surprised and you ordered this, stop watching now. But from what I understand, I get this quarterly and you saved money if you paid for the year in bulk. So I love Erin Condren stickers and I love that they match the planner. So you get free shipping every quarter, you get stickers 4 times a year, and in the subscription kit, you get 9 exclusive sticker sheets, 3 EC firsts, so I get to see them before other people do. So in this one, it's 3 seasonal inspirational sticker sheets, 3 metallic functional sticker sheets, 1 exclusive first ever tab sticker sheet, a window cling sticker sheet, and puffy alphabet stickers. So over 330 stickers. So there's all the scoop. So let's see what I got. And I'm very, very excited. Now, if you want to get your hands on Erin Condren stuff and you've never purchased it before, you can use my $10 off code and then you get $10 off and I get $10 too. So always like to share. So this is the window cling. And I think because it's a cling, it probably would cling to this. So maybe like on the inside cover would be kind of cool. So like in here, I could kind of put it in here, my life planner. I'm gonna try that out. Maybe at the end of the video and I'll show you if it works. Okay, these are the tabs. So those are kind of cool to put different tabs on things. I don't know what I'm going to use this for yet. We'll see. Here are the puffy letter stickers. I'm probably just gonna give these to the kids. I used to like puffy stickers, but not so much anymore. Okay, so this is the stuff I like. So reds and blues and teals and this week and scheduled and payday. I love this. Page flags, all of this can do no wrong. Summer, how cute are these? I'm totally gonna be putting something in my planner for summer with these. And we're growing watermelon this year, so hopefully we'll get some watermelons at the end of summer. Look how cute. So that same sheet that I showed you, but in yellows and pinks. And another summery one. I may save this for our Hawaii trip that got canceled due to Corona. How cute. Oh, I'm loving this. All right, that same sheet that I showed you, but now it's in purples. So pretty and so functional. Like I just adore functional stickers that are pretty. And then fall, which I'm totally not ready for because it's summertime right now, but I love like a decorative sticker here and there. I'm not a huge like fancy sticker, decorative sticker girl, but aren't these so pretty? Especially like think of like writing a card to somebody or a thank you note and putting these right here on the back of the card or the envelope. Oh, so pretty. All right guys, so that's it. Really quick video. I just want to show you what was inside. And then if you hadn't heard of it, this is new to me. I'm just starting with all this, so I'm super excited. If you like these videos, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed to see more videos like this one, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks guys, bye.